If 2 divided by A is equal to 1 divided by B minus 1 divided by D, find an expression for D in terms of A and B. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to find an expression of D in terms of A and B. It means that we have to make D the subject of this equation. The equation is 2 divided by A is equal to 1 divided by B minus 1 divided by D. To do that, we will have to multiply each term by the LCM so that we can cancel out the fraction. The denominators are A, B, and D. So the LCM will be a multiplication of the denominators. So A, B, D. And so we will multiply each term by A, B, D. So the first one will be 2 divided by A times A, B, D is equal to 1 divided by B times A, B, D minus 1 divided by D times A, B, D. A and A cancels out. B and B cancels out, D and D cancels out. So we will be left with 2 times BD. So we have 2BD is equal to 1 times AD. So that will give us AD minus 1 times AB, and that will give us AB. We want to make D the subject, so I will bring AB to the left hand side and send 2BD to the right hand side. When I do that, I'm going to have AB is equal to AD minus 2BD. We want to make D the subject, and so on the right hand side, I'll factorize D out, and I'll be left with A minus 2B. On the left hand side, I have AB. To get D, I'll divide both sides by A minus 2B. So I'll divide here by A minus 2B and divide here also by A minus 2B. So A minus 2B, A minus 2B will be gone. And so we'll be left with D is equal to AB divided by A minus 2B. So when we express D in terms of A and B, we are going to have D is equal to AB divided by A minus 2B. When you look through the options, you see that the correct option is C, AB divided by A minus 2B.